Video gun lock. This is the gun lock. Puta, they didn't even have a brand. Anyways, if you have this kind of gun lock and you forgot how to change the combination, you need to put the actual combination that you have, in case somebody else shared or something. And then once you have the combination right here, this one is preset at 00. It was new. I get to my combination right now. But let's say an example. My combination is 000. I put 000, push the button right here. It's the metal, that one. And then I can put in a combination, but keep holding the push the button inside, like 000, and I want 1 2 3, so I just go 1 2 3. Release, all set. You have any questions? Just ask. Once it has the different combination, the 000 doesn't work. So there it is. I like it. I got two of these ones, one for this one and one for the other one. The Walter P22 long rifle. I can't even take the magazine down because it's locked in there. Nice. It doesn't move at all. It fits perfect.